Today we're unboxing Huawei's Pura 90 Pro Max dedicated camera kit.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Right from the start, the packaging catches your attention with a landscape-themed cover that instantly sparks curiosity and invites you to take a closer look. As we open the box, the first thing we find is a specially crafted protective case. It features a premium vegan leather finish along with a built-in stand, and honestly, the texture feels fantastic in hand. The Huawei branding on the case is something photography enthusiasts will instantly recognize. Now, let's remove the rear panel, and wow, this looks incredible! With the protective case and matching lanyard included, Huawei users finally have their own advanced imaging accessory setup, so there's no need to look enviously at competing brands with their super telephoto camera kits. Since the Huawei Pura series is heavily focused on photography, this accessory package feels like the perfect upgrade to take the experience even further. Let's get everything installed. The case comes with lanyard attachment points on both sides, while the bottom features a fold-out stand. Even if you never plan to attach the lens accessory, the case itself still offers excellent build quality, practical functionality, and a premium feel. It works perfectly as a stand in both landscape and portrait orientations without any stability issues. Moving on to the smartly designed grip attachment, simply slide it into place and push it downward, and you're instantly ready for a more professional shooting experience. You get dedicated controls for the shutter, zoom, video recording, and additional function buttons, making photography much more convenient. Now let's take a look at the lens module. Instead of relying on the traditional screw-on design, Huawei uses a clever clip-on mounting system. Installation feels smooth, quick, and very secure. And finally, it's time for the star of the show. Opening it up reveals an absolutely stunning view. Just look at that! It looks amazing! Line it up, rotate until you hear that satisfying click, and the installation is complete. Just like that, you've transformed your Huawei device into a camera-style shooting setup. The grip feels comfortable in the hand, and there's also a support bracket designed specifically for the lens. Rotate it into position, and whether you're placing the setup on a desk or mounting it to a tripod, the bottom section provides solid support and stability. From this angle, it almost looks like a compact camera with a unique pea shooter appearance, while both camera modules remain visible. I'll be uploading a detailed camera review featuring this camera kit very soon. If you're interested in seeing how it performs, make sure to subscribe to the channel and become part of our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!